Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to create consistent characters using Flux AI. So let's get started. Go to huggingface.co and sign in with your account, and you can down here you can see Pulid Flux. Either you can click over here or search for Pulid Flux, and in the spaces you need to click over here. I'm going to click over here. So here you need to drop your image, or you can click to upload. Down below you have different examples. You can make note of that. For example, I'm going to click on this image, and you can see, so the prompt is portrait side view, and the original image this one, and you can see the same face is over here. So you can see next one, I'm going to click on here, so you can see the same face. So using single image we can generate consistent characters. You don't need to train any Loras for this. So if you want to train Loras, I'm gonna post another video, and that too for free. So make sure to subscribe my channel. But in this video we are going to see how to create consistent character with one image. So I'm gonna drop the image. First I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna drop the image. So I drop this image, and here you need to type in the prompt. A woman wearing a suit sitting in the office. So this is my prompt. For ID weight, I'm gonna leave it as it is, the default value 1. Width and height, I'm gonna leave it as it is. The number of steps to the maximum 20. Timestamp to start inserting IDs. For this, I'm gonna use 4. You can read on the tips. For photorealistic scenes, we need to use 4. The recommended value is between 0 and 4. For stylized scenes, we need to use 0 to 1. So I'm going to leave it as 4, and you can see all of the examples having time step to start inserting ID is 4, and some images have 1. I'm going to tell you why it is in the end. Let's try to generate this now. We need to click on generate to generate, and wait for some time, and you can see the result. You can see the same face, you can see the jawline, you can see the nose, eyes, most are same, and you can see the suit. Hand has some issues, but otherwise it's looking close. With just one image, this one is great. Let's try another prompt. This is another prompt. A woman in coffee shop drinking coffee, a simple prompt. Let's try to generate. Make sure the time to start inserting ID is 4 for realistic results. And you can see the same person in the coffee shop with a coffee cup. So these are for the realistic results. To get stylized result, you need to make changes to time step to 1. So I'm going to show that. In the example, you can see, in this example, American comics, one boy. So you can see this original image is converted into comics. So this is the stylized version of the original image. So for that, the recommended value is 1. Also there is another example. Here you can see the portrait Pixar. You can see the same person in Pixar style. So I'm gonna drop my own image. So this is the image I'm going to use, and I'm gonna use the same prompt, portrait Pixar, with the time step 1. Then click on generate, and you can see the result. So the specs are missing, but you can see the same hairstyle, but I don't think it is the same character, but it is in Pixar style. Maybe I'm gonna add portrait women with glasses, comma Pixar. Let's try to generate. So it is generating the same character, but with glasses. I don't think it's look the same. Let me try in 2D cartoon style. and you can see it is in 2D cartoon style. So to create stylized result, you need to make changes in time step to 1. For realistic result, you need to use 4. And there is also another option. If you want to convert it into ice sculpture or a statue something, you need to use this one example: time step to 1, guidance to 1, and true CFG value to 5. Let me click on it, and you can see this portrait is converted into ice sculpture. Let me try one image. So I'm going to use this image, and instead of ice sculpture, I'm going to use made of gold statue. Let me try to generate, and you can see this portrait is converted into gold statue. So these are the ways we can create consistent characters using Pulid Flux. You can also change styles, or you can convert your portrait into statue, ice sculpture, etc. So thanks for watching. If you like this video and if you want more videos like this, please do subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and bye.